Welcome back to TechVibes. Tonight I have a special step-by-step setup guide for users over 18 years old. Please note that parents should monitor their children regarding channel access on these devices. I am skipping the developer mode activation steps in this video. If you need help enabling developer mode on your Fire TV or Fire Stick, watch the previous video on TechVibes. Step 1 is installing the Downloader app on your device. Navigate to the search bar on your home screen. Type in Downloader using your remote. Select Downloader from the Suggestion tab. Click Download to install the app. Once installed, open Downloader and select Allow for the permissions. Step 2 is using Downloader to access the App Store. Scroll up to the URL search bar inside Downloader. Type in the code 730116. Select Next and wait a few seconds for the page to load up. Step 3 is downloading the IPTV Extreme player. Scroll down until you reach the IPTV and Media Player section. Locate IPTV Extreme version 128.0. Select it and wait for the download process to complete. If a permission error pops up during installation, go to Settings and select Developer Options. Go to Install Unknown Apps. Scroll down to Downloader and switch it to On. Press the back button on your remote to return to Downloader. Select Install to complete the IPTV Extreme installation. Once installed, select Done. Select Delete to remove the setup file and free up storage on your Fire TV. Press the Home button on your Fire remote. Step 4 is configuring the IPTV Extreme player. Go to your App section on your Fire TV and open IPTV Extreme. Use your remote to select the top right menu section. Scroll down and select Extreme Codes Portal. For the playlist name, enter any name you like. I will type TechVibes. Select Next. Now enter the server URL address. Type https://xc.adultiptv.net/. Select Next. For the username, type adultiptv. Select Next. For the password, type the exact same thing adultiptv. Pause the video if you need time to copy the exact text. Select Next. Scroll down until OK is highlighted and select OK. You will see a message confirming the new playlist saved successfully. Select OK to finish the setup process. Step 5 is accessing your live content. Press the back button on your Fire TV remote to load your channel list. Enjoy your new channels and have fun. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe to TechVibes for more quick tutorials and updates. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions.